Hi guys, welcome back to Get On My Glitter, and today we will be reviewing the Kama Ayurveda Nimra Face Acne Mask. So say hi to the pimples on my face again. Yes, yet again. And I have been struggling with, you can see, all sorts of face acne, and I was thinking of ordering something which would help reduce my acne. So I ordered this Nimra acne face pack from kamaayurveda.com. Retails for 1,150 rupees. If you want to buy it, you can go ahead. I will put it in the description box below. As per their website, they tell you that you can apply this 3 to 5 times in a week if you really want to get away with this. So I read about the ingredients of Kama Ayurveda, and it has red sandalwood, ashwagandha. It has lodhra, which is again called bark powder in English. It helps you give the glow. It also helps you reduce acne because it has various other essential oils as well. Let's just give it a try and let us know if this product will help reduce acne. I have a flat brush with me. You can use any flat brush. I have this bowl and then I've taken some like 2 or 3 drops of water in this. You can also take rose water if you want. I don't have rose water right now, so I'm kind of not taking that. Comes like this, it's powdery. So this is the spoon that comes inside of this. It says just take 2 spoons of this, so I'm 1. I recommend people who have a lot of oily skin, they make it very dry. So make the paste very dry. Don't keep it watery or runny. But for people who have combination or dry skin, might as well don't make it very dry, and it should be runny, watery, cause otherwise it will make your face very dry. And then do not tell me that, oh my god, I've got a lot of redness and dryness. Okay, redness is fine, but dryness, no. This is how it looks. If you can see, I have made it runny. So just squeeze the excess in the corner like this, and just take the essential powder, just keep the runny stuff for your neck. Take water, or you can take milk if you want, and just clean your face with that. Don't just kind of rub a lot or whatever. Also guys, you keep messaging me about different questions regarding shampoos and stuff like that. Yes, I will be reviewing shampoos as well. I will try to review as many products as I can, but I definitely want to do eye tutorials as well. I'm thinking of doing a very good smoky eye, a brown black smoky eye mixture, and if you are interested in that, then give me a thumbs up here, so I know you guys want that. So guys, I have washed away the product, and good. I don't feel dry. I really don't feel dry. I was thinking of moisturizing my Bio Gel Bio Oil Skin Gel. So this is very good for people who have extreme dryness. So just after applying the face pack, kind of apply that on here. It'll give you a really good effect. So just take 1 drop of that and kind of smudge it on your face. Just don't directly put the oils, because you have combination and then you have acne prone skin. It's not good for that. I would give a 4 out of 5 to this product. So not that 1 more, because I feel there is always need for perfection, and also the price of the product is extremely high for a lot of people, and 1150 rupees is yeah, you can just make it a bit reasonable maybe, or just release like a mini pack of it, which would help people kind of reduce their acne but also not invest a lot of coins in it. Yes, it has bark powder, so it can make your skin look a bit darker than what shade you have, but that's just temporary. You just kind of keep watching it for one once or twice, or just clean it harshly. I don't clean my skin very harshly because it otherwise affects my acne more and it makes my skin dry. So this, but guys, if you like the video, then do give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe me, please, because I know you want to see my videos and I'm gonna keep posting. So meet you till the next one. Bye bye.